Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a canvas versus the leather. I jump into the review. I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button. Yes, I need you to click on the subscribe button because y'all, it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here review because I don't want this video to be really long. With that being said, I did do a unboxing on both bags, but this one here is my most recent purchase. This here is new to the Marc Jacobs mini tote collection. I wasn't aware. My YouTube friends hit me up and was like, girl, did you see Marc Jacobs came out with a mini tote? And I'm like, no. So I went online, and of course I saw all the beautiful colors. I fell in love, and I did purchase this here bag without watching any reviews. And no, there are no YouTube reviews on this here mini leather tote. So that's why I took the plunge and purchased the bag so I can review this for you all. I'll share my thoughts because a lot of y'all, you know, y'all take my recommendations because a lot of y'all done said, Miss Tamika, I done purchased my mini totes because of you. So y'all were like, if you love the mini tote, the mini leather tote, we gonna purchase it. This here mini tote is cute. It's everything in the canvas, but it's just leather. I just wanted to show both minis just so y'all can see the difference, just in case you're not sure which one to purchase. Case you never purchase a you know, Marc Jacobs tote bag. Or the two bags, you have your mini leather tote and you also have your canvas tote. They are the same size. I don't normally do dimensions and sizing and all that. If y'all want to know the actual size and dimensions and all of that, I will link both of these here particular bags down below. Looking at them, they look like they the same exact size. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it across the screen because after I go back and edit the video, I'll just go and read the dimensions and make sure they both are the same. But looking at the bag, they look like they are exactly the same. Is the bag on the back side. I did end up keeping this black bag, but y'all, I still haven't taken the tag off, so don't mind that. Back of the bag, they both have the patch that says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC 1984. This one you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, like this one is a little lighter, but you can see it if you were up close on the bag in your face, like this one here. And it may show up like that because the bag is black and the writing is white. So in the front, they both say the same. The tote bag Marc Jacobs, as you can see. See, this is what I was talking about. Like here with the black bag, you have the Marc Jacobs piping. You have the piping on the side of the bag, and it says the Marc Jacobs. Can you see it? They do not have this here written on the leather tote. Maybe because it's leather and it probably would have been hard for them to do so. I'm not sure. So see on the side it says the Marc Jacobs. They don't have this here writing on the inside of the leather tote, and I will show you that really quick. Just have plain leather, nothing written on the sides. Now here you have the same little, what is this, little hoop or a little strap. Here you can tuck it in on the canvas tote, but here on the leather it's like a magnet on this here zipper pull, and it's also something on here. So when you go and tuck it, it's connected with this here magnet in the inside of both things. Have your zipper pulls on the top. Now with the canvas tote versus the mini, you do not have a inside pocket. Have a patch pocket, you don't have a side pocket, you just don't have no pockets in the canvas mini tote. Your bag, if I didn't mention, this one here retails for $150. So of course you're not going to get all the bells and whistles you would get in the small size, the teddy totes, and the leather bags, because they do cost a little more. This here mini canvas, you just get just the canvas, that's it. Care too much about patch pockets, zipper pockets, or anything like that, then yeah. Mini tote, you get a like a, what kind of strap is this? Like a strap, I don't know. I got a fabric strap. Yeah, I cannot think of what this here strap is called, y'all. I have a brain freeze. Excuse me, don't come for me, but I just can't think right now. But y'all know what this strap is. This particular strap for the canvas bag, and with your leather bag, you have an actual leather strap. If you do have both, you can attach this here canvas strap with this hair bag, and we're going to do so just so we can see how it will look. And if I didn't mention, the hardware on the canvas is silver, and the hardware on the pink mini, well, on the mini leather is gold. Is the black strap on the actual leather mini, and it's okay. Like, I don't see it being a crime to, you know, match this here black strap with your leather mini tote. Always switch it up, because to me it's like no, you know, rules to the whole what strap you want to wear with your bag, you know what I mean? So if you decide you don't want to carry the leather strap and you want something a little thicker, then you can attach this here particular strap that went with the canvas mini tote to your leather tote. Attach the leather strap with your to the canvas tote. That looks, but I'm just showing it for the sake of the video. And if I didn't mention on this here, let me see. Okay, yeah, on both of the straps, you do have Marc Jacob written on the inside. Whatever reason, if you decided to wanted to add your leather strap to your canvas tote, like I said, I don't see nobody saying, excuse me, miss, that strap don't go with that bag. So if it's your bag, you can basically do whatever you want. We'll wear this leather with this hair canvas, I'm not sure, but the pop of pink do look really cute. Those have your zipper on the top, but with the leather you have a gold zipper, which is smooth. With the canvas, you can hear the difference. Like, this is the canvas. Like, it's a lot smoother. This bag costs a lot more than this bag. So, you know what I mean? You get what you pay for. It's still a great bag. Like, let's just say you don't want to fork out the money for this here leather mini tote, then I would highly recommend this here bag. If I didn't mention, do not have any feet. Canvas tote, you do have to worry about lint issues, you know. So with that, I just take my lint brush and rub a few times, and it fixes the problem. Because like I said, I never had a lint brush before, y'all. Like, I never had to purchase one until I got this hair bag. So once I purchased this hair lint brush, it just saved my life. Because at first I was like, okay, if this bag is going to look like this, I'm going to send it back. But once I got this and used it, it fixed the problem. So there's no need for me to, you know, be like, oh my gosh, I don't like the bag, because I love the mini size. Handle drops are the same. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach the straps to both bags. I'm going to place them on my body so you can see how they look against my body frame. This here is the canvas tote. Like I said, you can carry the crook of your arm. So you can also carry the crook of your arm. With my stuff in here, this is a little heavier than the canvas, because as you can see, the canvas is light. The same stuff in here is not as heavy, but I'm assuming it's a little heavier because of the leather, to the point where it's uncomfortable. So I just wanted to let y'all know. I did add a little weight to it to place the canvas tote on. So here is the canvas tote on my body, the leather tote on my body. So I'm not sure. I see with this here leather strap, you have to adjust it by the little holes. With this one here, you know, pull it and you adjust it, you know, like pulling it down and pulling it up and all of that. Thing a little different because, like I said, I didn't adjust the leather strap. I just, you know, took it out the box and just tried it on as is. Canvas tote, this is how I normally carry it when I do carry it as a crossbody bag. For leather tote, you can make it a lot shorter. Like I said, I just took it straight out the box. I didn't adjust anything. Okay, so I'm not sure if I missed anything regarding the two bags. I hope I was able to cover everything. There's really no need for me to transfer the stuff in this here particular bag because I think I do have a what fits in this here bag, and I will try and leave it up in the cards or link it down below so you can see what I place in this here particular bag. The inside, and if I didn't mention, the inside is like a wipeable material. It's not leather or fabric or anything like that. It is that type of material where something in this bag, you can just wipe it up just like this one. Love that about the Marc Jacob totes because, you know, it's times where, you know, you may carry something in your bag and it may spill by accident. Not just water, it could be makeup or I don't know, something inside of your bag. And I like the fact that you can wipe these hair bags out. Like you can take a wet wipe, a baby wipe, a damp cloth or whatever, and it should come out with no problem. So before I end this video, y'all gonna ask me that magic question: which bag would you prefer, or which bag would you choose? I'm gonna sit here and say I like one better than the other because I like both of them. I'm gonna just be honest, I love both of the bags. If it was up to me, I would keep both of them. Like if that was up to me. Let's just say it's not up to you. You like, okay, Miss Tamika, I can't get both. I gotta pick one. The leather bag, I like a whole lot because it's more carefree. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about carrying a lint brush around with you. You don't have to worry about things like that. Like as you can see now, the only thing I'm not sure about is color transfer. I have this bag long enough to test that out. As the color transfer, this bag is more carefree. With this one, it is carefree, but again, lint is a big thing, and some people, like, it drives me crazy, which I get. If you don't want to carry a lint brush around, not necessarily carry it around or even buy one or have to deal with that, then I would recommend the leather tote. Also would recommend the leather tote if you are willing to spend the extra money. Let's say you like, look, Miss Tamika, I don't have $300 and something, and I get it. Everybody don't have that kind of money to, you know, purchase a bag. But do you still recommend the mini? Yes, I highly recommend the mini canvas tote because this bag is a beautiful bag. More colors. I'm not sure if I would buy this in another color because, like I said, I just found out that they came out with the leather mini tote. So if I do decide to purchase another mini tote, I would prefer to get a leather. I won't have to keep repeating the same bags, if you get what I'm saying, unless the mini canvas tote come in a color that's like, you know, a color that I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it on sale. Now if it's on sale, I don't care what the case is, I'm gonna purchase it because these bags retail for $150. They are really hot right now, so you won't be able to catch these bags on sale. Now I could be wrong. Something I did see, if you're in school or college or something, you can sign up for a student program on the Marc Jacobs website and you can save 10%. Well, I'm not in college or anything, so I wasn't able to take advantage of that particular offer. So if you are in school, you know, they do have that offer available. Check and make sure, but I did see that down below. If you got the money to purchase a Marc Jacob mini tote, I would recommend the leather, y'all. Is the one I would recommend first, and the canvas is the one I would recommend second. This bag is just beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Canvas down, y'all, but this leather is beautiful. It's worth every penny. It's all leather, like all leather, and you can smell the juiciness of the leather. Like when I tell you this bag is beautiful, my first recommendation would be the leather mini tote. Mini canvas tote is also a great bag. It's gorgeous as well. I just like the leather tote because it's just really, really nice, and within time I could see that leather getting really soft and squishy and just being like one of them carefree bags you don't have to worry about. And I also like the color, so that could be another reason why I kind of pick the mini tote over this here canvas. I like the black, but that pink or peach or whatever it's called, it's just really, really beautiful, you all, in person. I hope I was able to help you decide which bag to get. To place these two bags back up here so you can see just before I end this here video. Now, if you like me, like, look, I like both of them, I want both of them, then yeah, I would highly recommend you purchase both. Purchase both, because even purchasing both, you still not paying over $1,000. This is my first choice, the leather, and this here is my second. Hope y'all enjoyed this here mini canvas versus the leather mini tote. So if y'all did, y'all know what y'all need to do. Give your girl a big thumbs up because y'all know it helps out my channel. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.